everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so here I am at the World Market, so come on with me, guys. I love doing shop with me's here at the World Market, looking at their new trends. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Absolutely love this store. So let me just go ahead, leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll see you at the end. Carries these chargers, but these are glass and they're pretty heavy. Subscribing to the channel is totally free, and clicking the like button and for watching the video, even sharing the video, this helps me to grow. Commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying the video. shopping trip as much as I enjoy showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.